She's neurotic as heck.
She's really just...
What kind of dog is Amy?
Bojack.
A Jack Russell Boston Terrier.
Okay. And did you have any health problems?
Other than being just neurotic, no.
Okay, because how old was she when you bought her?
2 years.
2 years.
Oh, so she might have been in a cage a lot.
She is,
2 years.
She has really bad cage
She's got
paw.
cage paw.
Oh my
So
goodness.
we look at the bottom of the feet and they're like this.
Right. Oh no, that's
that and her dew claws are
her.
taken out bad,
Okay.
really badly.
And then Pandora is mine. She's the one over there.
Aw,
So
sweet.
those are our two.
And you purchased both of them from Hollywood.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pandora I got from Hollywood, and I heard from the grapevine, I don't know how I found out, that Amy was in this clearance room, so she would have been sent back or euthanized in a week and a half. That's what I found about her.
Actually, one of our friends used to work at Hollywood
Oh,
like
really?
2 or 3 years ago.
Yeah.
What was
3 or 4
Jessica?
years ago.
Or-
Rachel.
Rachel. Okay, gotcha.
She used to work there and she quit because she just could not take what was going on. And then Pandora was only 3 months and she was about to be sent back to the mill to be euthanized
Why?
in 3 months.
Why was she in this separate
She wasn't
area?
in, she was in the regular room. Well, she's in the regular room, but she was just super matted. She was just full of tangles and she smelled awful when I got her home.
Strange.
And I thought that was really weird. She's so young, you know, besides the fact that you just shouldn't send them back. I did manage to get a video.
Did you take them to the vet for?
Yes. She just had Pan just had her shots. Besides her not being able to be handled very well, she didn't take the exam well at all.
Okay. When did you get Pandora?
Pandora we got in October of 2012? 2012.
2012.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you take the dog to the vet right after purchase to see if there's any problems?
I didn't take her because my vet, we were switching vets because I actually moved out here. My vet was in Detroit.
Okay.
And he actually ended up retiring and we were in limbo where...
Okay. But you didn't have any health problems like
I didn't have a
immediately
problem
after?
with her.
Okay.
Only thing we had was her skin when I checked her when we got her had like splotches. I noticed them. They were red. They were red.
Oh, maybe because she wasn't groomed kind of splotches, or could it be internal
I think
thyroid?
she wasn't groomed properly when they trimmed her. So, because they shaved her down before we got her, and I noticed there were just like burn marks from the razor, and I'm like, it's not how you shave a dog.
So you'll never buy a dog from there again?
We will never do it again.
Very good.
We will never. I actually managed to get a video today on my Vine.
Okay.
I don't know if it'll load. I'm trying to get it to work, but I was able to kind of come on to this work of the outside. That's their puppy room, and they actually redid the windows, but it doesn't make any difference at all.
Oh, they have the play area?
There's a play area, and then there's they like made the windows pretty.
Maybe you should send me your video.
Yeah.
So I can hear what you're saying and stuff.
I just said this is the...
the Gibraltar Trade Center?
Yeah, here. I just kind of turned it, I just didn't really say much.
Oh, that's okay. I thought it was longer. It's just repeating itself.
It's
right?
a 6-second video.
Yeah, I see. Okay. Yeah.